When you cook rice, it usually becomes sticky. To prevent this, add a few drops of lemon. Doing so will also make the rice appear more whiter. Remember to do so before you cook the rice. To make lemons last longer and to make them fresher, store them in the fridge, but in an airtight container. It could be plastic or glass. To prevent bugs from getting into your cashews, put them in the fridge. Add a few pieces of rock salt into your sesame seed container to prevent bugs from getting into them. To prevent potatoes from growing sprouts or eyes, store them with cloves of garlic. To keep green chilies fresh and to prevent them from rotting faster, add a little bit of turmeric over it. And store them in a glass airtight container. Be sure to mix them after. To prevent the shell of an egg from cracking when boiling them, rub lemon juice on the shell and then boil them.